Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School and CISE Junior College, Changanasheri. Welcome back, children. How was the video regarding the Roman numerals? Till 10 we have studied. Did you study the rules? The rules are not to be studied by heart. You understand the rule. അത് കാണാതെ പഠിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല കേട്ടോ. പക്ഷേ അത് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിരിക്കണം. That is, 3 laws where if the letters are repeated, you add the values. Then more than 3 times it is not to be repeated. Then if a higher value and a smaller value is kept together, we will add these two. If it is kept in the left side, we will subtract the smaller value from the bigger value. That all we have studied. And you wrote 1 to 10 also. To remember, let us revise once more the same thing from 1 to 10. So before that, we will write once more what is I. What is I? I was I1, V, 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, and M is equal to 1000. So with these symbols only we are moving to the next part also. We are not given any other letters to write this number. So now we move to 1 to 10 once more. Already you have done, but once more we have to keep in mind. 1, 2, 3, I. Don't call this as 1. This is I. Then 4, IV. How? 5 minus 1. Then 5 was V. Okay. Next, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 VIII, and 9 IX. 10 is X. Till this much we have already studied. That's why I wrote it in very speed, in order to make the time saved. Now we are moving to 11. So how to go about this? 11 I'll show. So for that, it will be easy for you if we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the left side. So without number I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With these digits only, we are going to do this to combine with certain symbols. So for 11 we know 10 plus 1. So 11 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 10 ന്റെ കൂടെ 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതല്ലേ. So what we have to do? 11 is equal to xi, 10 plus 1. Plus 1 means to be kept in the right side. Now 12, how can we write 12? Otherwise you can see 10 is x and 1 is kept here. See? Then 12 how will be? 10 you write and this 2 should be kept here. Understood? Now 13 how it will be? 10 plus 3. So 10 you keep. Then this 3 you write here, that is I. Okay? So now I think it is easy for you to do. Please help me. So 11 xi, 12, 10 and 2, 13, 10 and 3, 14, 10 and 10 and 7. 18, 10 and 8, 19, 10 and 9. So, study this very well. Then just combine. See here all x only. All the others are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See? And the last one here 20. We are allowed to repeat digits, that is letters, but not more than 3. Here 20 means 10 plus 10. So x. Did you understand? X means 20. Now how can you write 21? 20 you write and then 1. Then 22, 20 you write, then this 2. So 21 how can you write? 20xx and 1 is I. 22, 23, 23. Same way how we have done. See here only one x square there in the left side. Here xx likewise it comes. 24 xx 4. 25 xx 5. 26 xx vi. 27 xx vi. 28 xx vi. 29 xx ix. 9 is this one, okay? And 30, that same way how we have done here. 20 is having 2x and here we have to write x. Clear children? Only with the symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D and M, we are asked to combine letters to make the numbers. Yes. And here in this class, that is in standard 3, we are not using L, C, D and M. In the next year, we will be dealing with those numbers. And now in this class, only up to 30 we are asked to study. So I have given 1 to 10 in the last class. Once if you study this 1 to 10 nicely, then only we will understand how to make 11 to 20. If you know 11 to 20, it is very easy to have 21 to 30. So here how we have done, did you understand? Once more I will explain. Here all we have tens because 11 is 10 plus 1, 12 is 10 plus 2, 13 is 10 plus 3. Likewise, x everywhere where x is to be written. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here only the problem. So because we have only 2 tens. 10 plus 10 is 20. So x and x together we kept. Same way 20 once if you know, we can write 20 here. The 20, 20, 20 everywhere 20s. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is to be taken from here. Okay, then last 30 is x. 3 x's are to be kept together. Okay, children. Now for you, I think it was clear how to make Roman numerals. And in our day-to-day life, we are not giving that much importance to Roman numerals, but we should be aware of. If the number is given, you will be able to read. Okay. So, but we are not using for this and operations and all, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We are not using this. That we are using the place values. Okay, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, likewise. So, understand this Roman numbers. Whenever and wherever you see Roman numerals, try to read it. Thank you.